I don't know. But this is the poem. So that's why we have to look at this. That's cool, right? So we need this flashlight to look at it. See, even this, my cousin will say it. So she will say it later. Okay, guys. Okay, and look at this. Look at these leaves. I trim it there and right here to make this platform. Look at that of leaves. And look at this. Look my plants right there. So cool, right, guys? That is Lola's plant. And look at this. Look at my plants right there. So cute right there. And then look at that. There's a tree. So I'm gonna get my cousin right here. Okay, say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Okay, can we talk about this? All of that. Can you gonna flashlight it? Do you want? Here. So what happened? This is the day of the mother of the dino kid. In 99 in the forest? Yes, and they just break up in their dad of dino kid. The owl? Yes. Okay, what about this? This one is my name. Don't draw this. Okay, everyone, please wait for this one. Okay, what is this? This is his Lego, but his husband don't see his boob. Oh, so that's why. His husband wants to see his boob. That's why he don't want. I mean his pussy. Where? Here. That thing? Okay. Okay, let's see the next. This is the final, guys. Okay, what is this? The police just get of the husband of this girl because he want to see his boob. That's why he just go in the cave and he want to see his boob. That's why he go in the cage in the police. He said, "Don't you see your wife of the boob?" Okay. Now what? What's next? This one. What should we read? What is this? Look in the hall. Okay. What is the arrow? Where's the arrow? Right here. This is the arrow. So you have to, guys. You have to put the. I have to put the pencil right there to decorate all of this. Right, guys? Yes. Okay. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.